Welcome to the dark, mysterious realm of the deep ocean, where light is a rare commodity, and life takes on bizarre and astonishing forms that challenge our very understanding of survival. Now, let's embark on a mysterious adventure deep into the unfathomable depths of the Earth's oceans and discover the astonishing creatures that inhabit the darkest and most profound waters of our planet. Number 10. Giant Isopod. Depth 500 to 2,000 meters. Imagine you're crawling along the ocean floor, navigating a landscape that's colder and darker than the surface of Mars. Enter the giant isopod, a creature that looks like a prehistoric armored tank shrunk down to the size of a football. These guys scuttle around at depths of up to 2,000 meters, making them some of the most recognizable deep-sea scavengers. Their body structure is perfectly suited to life under pressure, literally. The deeper you go, the more the water pressure would crush anything not built like a giant isopod. These crustaceans are the deep-sea equivalent of a roving cleanup crew. They feed on anything that sinks to the seafloor, from dead whales to discarded fish scraps. With their tough, segmented exoskeletons and a metabolism that seems almost on pause, they're built for survival in a place where food is scarce. In fact, they can go years without a meal. When food does come along, they binge like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet, packing their gut to the brim in preparation for the next famine. Living in the benthic zone, right above the ocean floor, giant isopods might not dive into the deepest trenches, but they thrive in their abyssal playground. Plus, their survival skills and alien-like appearance make them an unforgettable resident of the deep. Number 9. Anglerfish. Depth 2,000 to 3,000 meters. Picture this, you're in pitch-black waters, 3,000 meters deep, and the only light source is a creepy, bioluminescent orb dangling from a terrifying fish's forehead. That's the anglerfish, a nightmare-inducing predator whose tactics are as genius as they are scary. These fish live in the midnight zone, where sunlight never reaches and the darkness stretches as far as the eye can't see. They've adapted to this gloomy world with a glowing lure on top of their heads, which acts as a beacon for unwitting prey. When a smaller fish swims close to check out the light, the anglerfish strikes in an instant, swallowing it whole with its oversized jaws and razor-sharp teeth. The reason they can thrive in these extreme depths is thanks to their slow metabolism, which allows them to go long periods between meals, an essential trait for a place where food is anything but plentiful. The anglerfish's lure is powered by bioluminescent bacteria, which live symbiotically inside the lure. It's like having a built-in flashlight that helps the anglerfish see and hunt in the abyss. The pitch-black environment is perfect for this slow, methodical predator, but it doesn't go deeper than this level, keeping it in the mid-range of deep-sea creatures. Their gruesome appearance and spooky hunting methods make them a poster child of the abyss, but they aren't yet diving into the deepest realms. Number 8. Dumbo Octopus. Depth 3,000 to 4,000 meters. At depths where the pressure could easily crush a car, the Dumbo octopus glides gracefully, its ear-like fins flapping in slow, dreamlike motions. Named after Disney's famous flying elephant, this octopus is built for the abyss. With its gelatinous, soft body and ability to withstand freezing temperatures, it cruises through waters up to 4,000 meters deep without breaking a sweat, or in its case, without squishing flat. The Dumbo octopus thrives in complete darkness, navigating the ocean floor with an elegance that belies its goofy name. Unlike many other octopus species that can be quite active hunters, the Dumbo octopus is a more passive feeder. It hovers just above the seafloor, gently spreading its arms out to trap small crustaceans, worms, and other tidbits that float by. Its flexible, squishy body allows it to handle the immense pressure without any solid bones or air pockets that might be crushed at these depths. What sets the Dumbo octopus apart from its abyssal competitors is its calm, drifting nature, almost as if it's at peace with the dark, cold world around it. While it doesn't dive as deep as some of the more extreme animals on this list, it certainly ranks among the most charming and endearing. And let's not forget, it's one of the deepest living octopus species in the world, so this gentle giant still earns its place in the abyssal depths. Number 7. Giant squid. Depth 4,000 meters. For centuries, the giant squid was the stuff of sailors' nightmares and mythological sea monsters. And who could blame them? These colossal creatures can grow up to 40 feet long and have eyes the size of dinner plates, perfect for spotting prey in the darkness of the deep sea. While they don't live in the ocean's deepest trenches, giant squids are no strangers to the abyss, cruising through waters up to 4,000 meters deep. Their massive size is part of their adaptation to these crushing depths, where their sheer bulk helps them move efficiently and capture prey. They are ambush predators, relying on their sharp tentacles to snatch passing fish or other squid. When it comes to combat, the giant squid is equipped with beak-like jaws capable of tearing through flesh with ease. What makes them particularly intriguing is that they remain elusive even to this day. Despite their enormous size, these squids have rarely been observed in their natural habitat, and most of what we know comes from specimens that wash up on shore or end up in the stomachs of sperm whales, their primary predator. It's this air of mystery, along with their sheer size and predatory prowess, that cements the giant squid's place in the deep-sea elite. Even though they're not trench dwellers, their adaptations to the abyssal environment make them some of the most iconic creatures of the deep ocean. Number 6. Fawn-toothed fish. Depth 5,000 meters. At 5,000 meters below the surface, there's no light, hardly any food, and the pressure is so intense it would flatten most creatures. But the fawn-toothed fish shrugs off these challenges like a pro. Despite being only about 6 inches long, this little monster looks like it swam straight out of a horror movie. Its disproportionately large teeth are the biggest in relation to body size of any fish, so much so that the fish can't even close its mouth fully. But those oversized fangs are crucial for survival in an environment where meals are rare and often come in fleeting bursts. At these depths, food is scarce and competition is fierce, but the fangtooth's adaptations have made it a top predator of the abyss. They have small eyes, so they rely on other senses, like detecting vibrations, to hunt in the dark. While they might look terrifying, they're actually quite small, only about the size of your hand, but their savage appearance makes them stand out as one of the deep sea's most unique hunters. Their bodies are built to handle the incredible pressure at these depths, and they have the slow metabolism needed to survive where food might be weeks or months between meals. The fangtooth's role as a deep-sea predator, combined with its extreme adaptations, secures its place in the list of animals that thrive in the deep ocean, even if it doesn't descend quite as deep as some others. Number 5. Deep-sea dragonfish. Depth 6,000 meters. As you plunge into the ocean at depths of around 6,000 meters, the dark becomes absolute and temperatures drop to near freezing. It's here that the deep-sea dragonfish thrives, showcasing the wonders of evolutionary adaptation. This peculiar fish is not just a pretty face, it's a master of survival in one of Earth's harshest environments. Equipped with long, needle-like teeth and a bioluminescent lure, the dragonfish is a fearsome predator despite its relatively small size. The bioluminescent organs, located under its eyes and on its body, are vital for hunting in complete darkness. By emitting light, it can attract prey or even dazzle potential threats, creating a shimmering, ghostly appearance in the abyss. Their bioluminescence is a double-edged sword. While it aids in hunting, it also makes them visible to larger predators lurking in the depths. These fish have developed a unique strategy to counter this. They can adjust the brightness of their glow, making them harder to spot. With large, dark eyes, the dragonfish can detect the faintest movement in the water, allowing it to strike swiftly at unsuspecting prey. Adaptations like these make the deep-sea dragonfish not just a survivor, but a successful hunter in the cruel competition of the deep ocean. They embody the harsh beauty of the abyss, where every trait has evolved to meet the challenges of a dark and frigid world. Number 4. Cusk eel. Depth 8,000 meters. Imagine a world where light is a distant memory and the pressure around you is enough to crush a car. This is the realm of the cusk eel, residing at depths of up to 8,000 meters. The cusk eel is an astonishing feat of evolution, thriving in the hadal zone, the deepest part of the ocean. These eels have adapted to extreme pressure, with flexible bodies that are more gelatinous than bony, allowing them to withstand the crushing weight of the ocean above. Their diet mainly consists of small fish and invertebrates, but food is a rare commodity in such a barren landscape. This necessitates a slow and steady lifestyle. They've adapted to move slowly and conserve energy, making the most of the little resources available. Found in the Mariana Trench, cusk eels have been observed in deep-sea expeditions, where their unique adaptations showcase the ocean's vast and unexplored mysteries. Their existence is a testament to nature's ingenuity, creatures that have carved out a niche in an environment that seems inhospitable to life. With little competition at such depths, the cusk eel can thrive, using its keen sense of smell to locate food in the dark. It's an incredible example of life's persistence in the face of overwhelming odds. Number 3. Snailfish. Depth 8,200 meters. At 8,200 meters below the surface, the snailfish has earned the title of the deepest living fish ever discovered. It lives in the Mariana Trench, one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where the conditions are brutal and survival seems almost impossible. The snailfish's body is incredibly adapted to its surroundings. Its gelatinous, flexible form helps it withstand the immense pressure that would crush other fish. Unlike their bony relatives, snailfish lack air-filled swim bladders, which allows them to easily manage buoyancy in the crushing depths. Instead of relying on a hard structure, their bodies are more like a sack of jelly, giving them both flexibility and resilience. They feed on tiny organisms like zooplankton and crustaceans, making them opportunistic feeders. Their adaptability and ability to thrive where few can go make them a symbol of survival in the deep sea. Snailfish are also significant for scientific research. Studying their unique adaptations could provide insights into life under extreme conditions, potentially informing us about the limits of life on other planets. They demonstrate the extraordinary potential of life to adapt, evolve, and thrive in even the most inhospitable environments imaginable. Number 2. Amphipod. Depth 10,000 meters. The amphipod, a tiny crustacean, thrives at depths of 10,000 meters, showcasing life's remarkable ability to adapt to extreme conditions. Living in the Mariana Trench, these amphipods have evolved to survive in one of the most hostile environments on Earth, where temperatures are freezing and food sources are incredibly scarce. They've adapted a unique ability to consume organic material that drifts down from the surface, making them scavengers of the deep. Their bodies are built to withstand the immense pressures of the trench, and they possess a flexible, soft body that allows them to maneuver efficiently through the dark waters. Unlike many larger deep-sea creatures, amphipods are small and agile, making them adept at navigating their environment. They feed on decomposing plant and animal matter, ensuring that they can find sustenance even in the bleakest of conditions. Their presence in such extreme depths serves as a crucial link in the food chain, recycling nutrients in the ocean's depths. Researchers are fascinated by these hardy creatures, as their unique adaptations provide valuable insights into life at extreme depths and the resilience of nature. The amphipod's ability to thrive in the most unfathomable parts of the ocean is a testament to life's persistence and adaptability. Number 1. Deep sea cucumber. Depth 10,000 plus meters. The deep-sea cucumber represents the pinnacle of life's adaptation to the abyss. Found at depths greater than 10,000 meters, including the Challenger Deep, these creatures exemplify the extraordinary resilience of life in one of Earth's most extreme environments. Their soft, gelatinous bodies allow them to withstand the immense pressure found at these depths, which can exceed 1,000 times that of sea level. They feed on organic matter that sinks from above, processing nutrients in an environment where food is incredibly scarce. Their ability to thrive in the darkness of the deep ocean showcases nature's ingenuity in adapting to harsh conditions. Unlike many other deep-sea organisms, deep-sea cucumbers play a vital role in the ecosystem by recycling nutrients back into the environment, contributing to the overall health of their habitat. Their ability to feed and flourish at such depths is remarkable, considering the challenges posed by the extreme environment. Scientists continue to study these remarkable creatures to understand better how life can exist and adapt under such conditions, providing insights into the limits of life and the potential for life beyond our planet. The deep-sea cucumber not only highlights the wonders of evolutionary biology, but also serves as a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the depths of our oceans. As we continue to explore these uncharted depths, who knows what other strange and extraordinary creatures await discovery, reminding us that life can thrive even in the most extreme and unforgiving conditions?